Welcome back to Katie's Bricks, and today I'm showing you how to combine all three Lego stores. I'm also going to be modifying them, and the first modification I'm going to make is by removing this window at the back, because this is going to be the back of the store and it's going to be facing the train track. So there's going to be no need to see the displays from that window. There we go, the window has been removed. I'm going to keep the door on there so employees can exit. I'm going to keep the displays there because when you come into the store you'll still be able to see them, just not from the back. Now for the second one, I'm going to include the wall of Lego sets from the Lego V.I.P Polybag from 2017. I'm going to try and incorporate this. Now I'm going to show you how to connect both stores together. Anyway, that is the end of today's video. I hope you like how I have connected and combined all three Lego stores. Leave me a like, comment and subscribe to see more Lego videos like this one.